Before buying a lawnmower, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, American Lawn Mower 1204-14. The American Lawn Mower Company 1204-14 caught my attention right away because it's a manual push reel mower priced at just $89.99. If you want an eco-friendly option for small lawns, this is worth a serious look. This 14-inch mower features 4 blades and durable polymer wheels, making it lightweight at only 19 pounds. It's perfect for maneuvering through tight spots, and you can adjust the cutting height from 0.5 to 1.75 inches, so you can keep your grass just the way you like it. But here's why this matters for you specifically. It's a pollution-free solution that won't disturb your neighbors with noise or fumes, and it's super low maintenance, which is a huge plus. Just a heads up, some users found that it struggles with taller grass. Now, some people complained about its effectiveness on grass taller than 4 inches. Here's the thing though, if you're diligent about mowing regularly, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have a small lawn and want to keep things quiet and green. Skip this one if you prefer a more powerful mower for larger areas. For the price, it's a great value option. Now, if the manual effort of the reel mower bothers you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Lawnmaster MEB 1114K. Next up is the Lawnmaster MEB 1114K, a corded electric mower priced at $119.99. If you want strong performance without the hassle of gas or batteries, this is a solid choice. This 15-inch mower features an 11-amp motor that delivers 3,300 RPM, making it powerful enough to tackle your yard effectively. The height is customizable with 5 positions, ranging from 1.4 to 3 inches, giving you flexibility for a perfect cut. Plus, its 7-gallon collection bag keeps your lawn tight. Here's why this matters for you. It's lightweight at just 28 pounds, which makes it easier to push around your yard, and the 7.75-inch rear wheels provide better maneuverability. Now, some reviews mentioned that the cord can be a hassle to manage, but honestly, if you can adapt to the cord, the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss electric mower that delivers solid results. Skip it if you have a large yard that requires frequent moving of the cord. For its performance and price, it's definitely worth considering. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with compact spaces.
Product number 3, Black & Decker 3-in-1 Combo. Now, let's take a look at the Black & Decker 3-in-1 Combo, which includes a corded lawnmower, weed eater, and edger for just $89. If you want multi-functionality in a compact package, this is a great pick. The 12-inch mower is designed for small lawns, and its 6.5-amp motor delivers enough power to handle tough weeds and thick grass. Switching between mowing, trimming, and edging is super easy, and the automatic feed spool ensures uninterrupted work. This is beneficial for you because it means you can do everything in one go without stopping to adjust. However, some users express that the mower can struggle with thicker grass. Now, here's the thing. If you maintain a regular mowing schedule and keep your lawn tidy, this won't be a problem. This is perfect for you if you have a small yard and want to simplify your lawn care routine. Skip this if you need a mower for larger areas or tougher terrain. At this price, you get 3 tools in one, making it an awesome deal. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more powerful, the next option might catch your attention.
Product number 4, Lawnmaster LMR M1801. Next up is the Lawnmaster LMR M1801, a manual push reel mower priced at $98.99. If you're after a healthier lawn without harming the environment, this is worth considering. The 18-inch cutting width and 5 blades promise a scissor-like cut, which is better for your grass's health. With 9 cutting positions from 1.1 to 2.5 inches, you can customize your cut easily. This is great because it allows you to maintain your lawn just how you like it, without the mess of gas or batteries. Some users mentioned that it requires a bit of effort to push, especially on uneven terrain. Here's the thing. If you're physically able and enjoy the workout, that effort can be part of the charm. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a greener option for small lawns. Skip this if you want something more powerful without the push. It's a solid value for those interested in eco-friendly options. Now, if the idea of a lightweight electric mower sounds more appealing, let's look at the last product on our list.
Product number 5, eWork Corded Electric Mower. Finally, we have the eWork Corded Electric Mower, which retails for $109.99. If you're looking for a powerful yet quiet mower for your yard, this could be your go-to. It features an upgraded 11-amp motor that runs at 3,600 RPM, effortlessly cutting through dense grass. Plus, it has 4 height adjustments from 1.3 to 2.6 inches, so you can always achieve the perfect look. What's cool is that it only weighs 17.6 pounds, making it really easy to maneuver, especially for tight spots. However, some users found that the collection bag could be slightly small for larger jobs. But honestly, if you're mowing regularly, it's manageable and keeps your lawn looking neat. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight electric mower that's easy to handle. Skip this if you have a massive yard that needs heavy-duty equipment. For the performance it offers, it's an excellent value.
So, to wrap things up, we've covered a variety of options, from eco-friendly manual mowers to powerful electric ones. Whether you prefer the simplicity of a push mower or the efficiency of an electric model, there's something here for everyone. Take your time, think about your lawn care needs, and choose the one that suits you best.